children, welcome back to English class. Today we are going to discuss our second chapter of grammar textbook. Okay, second chapter of our grammar textbook. Before that, let me ask some questions. Okay, what is this? What is this? This is a glass. Okay, good. What is this? This is a story book. Okay, this is a story book. Here inside this book you can see many stories. So this is a story book. Then what is this? You all like this, isn't it? What is this? This is a toy car, isn't it? Then what is this? What is this? This is an apple, isn't it? Again, what is this? What is this? This is a ball, isn't it? Then what is this? This is a box. This is a box. Then again, what is this? What is this? This is a bell. Okay, so we saw many things here, isn't it? We see a lot of things here. We saw a glass, a storybook, a toy car, an apple, a ball, box, bell. Okay, so all these are things, different things. Okay, all these are different things. So today we are going to study the naming words of things. Naming words of things. Okay, clear? So this one, a toy car. So car, a toy car is a naming word of thing, isn't it? Then a ball, this is a thing. So the naming word is ball. So this is your second chapter in your textbook, grammar lesson 2. Okay, let us discuss the lesson. Listen, look here. What is this? This is a spoon, isn't it? This is a spoon. This one, this is a fork. What is this? This is a plate. What is this? This is a glass. Then spoon, fork, plate and glass are name of things that we use every day, isn't it? These all are things that we use in our daily day, in every day. Spoon, fork, plate and glass. Okay, then look here. What is this? This is a comb. This one, towel. This one, pencil. The next one is dustbin. So these are also the name of some things that we use every day. Words that are names of things are called naming words. Okay, comb, towel, pencil, dustbin, all these are naming words. Okay, all these are naming words. Naming words of things. Naming words of things. Then in your textbook, the next page, page number 6. Take your page number 6. What are the things that you use to keep yourself clean? Match the things with the body parts they are used for. What is this? This is a cotton bud, toothbrush, nail cutter, comb. Teeth, ear, hair, nails. Okay? So cotton bud. Cotton bud is used to clear our ear. So draw line from cotton bud to ear. Then toothbrush is used to clean our teeth. Okay, toothbrush, draw line from toothbrush to teeth. Okay, next one, nail cutter. Draw lines sorry, nail cutter is used to trim our hair or nail, clean our hair or nail. Okay, nail cutter, nails. The next one, comb. Comb is used to comb, clean our hair. Okay, did you draw line? Okay, very good. Then the next exercise, what are the things that you carry to school? Look at the pictures. Choose the names of the things from the box and write them in the space provided. So, here are the list of things. Book, eraser, pencil, bag, bottle, sharpener. So, these things we used to carry. These are the things that we carry to school. Then in your textbook, next page, look here. What is this? Look at the first picture. What is this? This is a bag. So, you write bag here. Okay, write bag. Look at the next one. B. What is that? That is a book. B-O-O-K. Book. The spelling already given in page number 6. So, the next one. Bottle. What is this? Bottle. Here we can see eraser. What is this? Eraser. Then what is this? This is a sharpener. Then look here. What is this? This is a pencil. Okay. Did you write? Finish writing? Okay. Shall we go on to the next exercise? Read the following sentences and guess the things they describe. Then write them in the spaces provided. Okay. It protects us from the rain. Which one helped to protect us from rain? U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. What is that? Umbrella. Umbrella is used to protect us from rain. It tells us the time. The next one. It tells us time. It tells us time. What is that? Clock. Clock tells us time. What is the spelling of clock? C-L-O-C-K. Clock. Then take the next page. It is used to cut paper. Which thing we used to cut the paper? The first letter is S. The last letter also S. We used to cut paper. Can you tell me the answer? Okay, what is this? Scissors. What is the spelling of scissors? Yes, C-I-S-S-O-R-S. Scissors. Write the answer there. Then the next question. It is used to color pictures. It is used to color pictures. You all have this thing. What is that? Yes, crayons. C-R-A-Y-O-N-S. Crayons. Okay. Then look at the next one. It is used to throw garbage in. First letter is D. Throw garbage. Dustbin. What is this? Dustbin. D-U-S-T-B-I-N. Dustbin. Okay, did you finish writing? So, everybody do the exercises in page number 6, 7 and 8. Do the exercise in grammar textbook, lesson 2, naming words, page number 6, 7 and 8. See, you no need to study the spelling of all these things. Okay, you don't study the spelling of all these things. Write in your textbook, grammar textbook only. Write only. Okay, see you in the next class. Thank you.